Alright, welcome back to the Ultimate Video Editing Digital Forum. My name is Prince Daniel and I'm so glad you are here. If you are just joining us, this is day 3 of our 30 days video editing journey. So if you missed day 1, day 2, kindly go and check it out. We have covered the overview of the course. We've also talked about best editing app and software. And today we are going into practical. So pick your phone and your laptop. Let's go there. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell, and hit the like button. Also share this video, and God bless you. Alright, so let's learn how to send files from our phone to our laptop wirelessly. Yeah, so I'm using iPhone, so I don't use code to transfer my files. No matter how big the file is, I transfer it wirelessly with Xender to my laptop. All you need to do is download Xender on your phone. After downloading Xender, then on your phone hotspot and connect it to your laptop. If you're on your phone hotspot, go to your laptop and on your laptop Wi-Fi, connect it. Make sure your laptop is connected. Then you open the Xender that you have downloaded on your phone. Once you open the Xender, you go to the top left button. Then you press there to open. You'll see many options: connect to PC, connect to web. Yeah, you're seeing it. So all you have to do now is press connect to web. Then your Wi-Fi is already connected to your laptop. So go to Google Chrome on your laptop. Open Google Chrome. Then you see the address, dial number that's Xender right there. Type it correctly on your browser. Yeah, on your laptop. Type it on your laptop. It doesn't matter if you have data or not. So once you type it, you see a message will pop up like this. Then accept it. Automatically you are connected. You can now scroll down to your laptop, download any file that you want to download. Now it is time to organize our file. Understand? It is time to organize our file. Yeah. So what we are going to do right now is a file that we have downloaded that I want to use for editing. We'll create a folder for it. Yeah, I'll create a separate folder for it. So and put all the file inside. Make sure the file is well arranged. Yeah, from the beginning to the end, so that you don't have to go and look for one and all that. So you just have to arrange the file. You separate the file, like separate where you put music, like the sound effects, everything. Separate it inside one folder. Then what you have to do now is time to import it into our editing. So let's start with Premiere Pro first. So I'm going to open Premiere Pro on my laptop. Yeah. So now it's time to set up project structure and workflow on Premiere Pro. So you click on create new project. Click on the new project button to create a new project. So for this, I will name my project birthday shots. Yeah, so you see the video format is on time code. You see we have fit to frame, those will explain all that. So for here, for Premiere Pro, everything is set, so you don't have to do any setting. So from here, you will browse where you want to save the project. Yeah, for me, I want to save my project where I can find it easily. So I'm saving it here. So everything here is set, so I don't need to do any settings. So the Premiere Pro will open now. You see how it looks like. So the Premiere Pro is open. Yeah, you see there's nothing inside. Nothing is inside. So from file, if you click on the file, you will scroll down. You will see that many buttons here, but it say import. Yeah, to me, I'm not gonna import from here because importing from here will not arrange your footage. You understand? It will not set up your workflow. So what I'm going to do is, this is where you will now open your file where you saved the folder that we created before. So this is the folder we created before birthday. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag it. So I'll drag it. So now we have dragged the folder to our Premiere Pro project. So you can see the folder there. So what we have to do is to click and open the folder inside the project. So you can see all the file is well arranged the way I arranged it from take 1 to down. So what we are going to do now is to drag some of the file to the timeline and set it for editing. So I'm going to drag the file now to the timeline and set it. But before we start editing, we need to understand the timeline and the interface, the shortcuts and all these things you see. They have work that they normally do. And there are shortcuts to use it. So today we are not going to explain that. Let's go to how to also import your file from if you're editing with your phone. So let's go. All right, so phone on is very easy and simple. I believe you have the app already on your phone. Capcut, we are using Capcut. All you have to do is open the Capcut. Once you open it, you will see something, a new project. That plus button, click on it, then select the videos that you want to edit. Select it accordingly. Select it by take 1, take 2, take 3, all that, you understand the way, so that it will be arranged the way Premiere Pro is arranged. And one thing you will know about Capcut is that one you don't need to come and be creating a project folder and all that. So that one, once you put it, it will automatically go on the timeline by itself. So that is it. And once you do like that, then you press on the add button. Everything will be imported into the timeline. So here you see the videos on the timeline. So now we are not going to start the editing yet because you need to understand the things inside. You can see a lot of things is by the downside. We need to understand those things and what we can use it for. You understand? The text, button, overlay, effect, caption, aspect ratio, audio, and all that. We will be explaining all that so that you know how to use it properly. So in next video, we'll explain it and we'll start streaming and splitting the video that we have imported into our timeline. That's all for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell and wait for next class. See you in class.